The peace lily spathipome is a popular indoor plant, known for its elegant white blooms and lush, green foliage. It's not only beautiful, but also easy to care for, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to care for a peace lily, and the benefits of having this indoor gym in your home. How to care for a peace lily. 1. Light requirements. Peace lily thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. They can tolerate low light conditions, but this may reduce flowering. Place them near a north or east-facing window for best results. 2. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Peace lily are sensitive to overwatering, which can cause root rot. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. The plant will droop slightly when it needs water, making it easy to know when to hydrate. Use room temperature water to avoid shocking the roots. 3. Humidity. Peace lily love high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly. Place the pot on a tray filled with water and pebbles to increase humidity. You can also use a humidifier, especially during dry winter months. For temperature, maintain a temperature between 65 degrees 80 degrees, 18 degrees to 7 degrees. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Keep the plant away from heating vents or air conditioners. 5. Soil. Use a well-draining heat-based potting mix. A mix of peat moss perlite and compost works well. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. 6. Fertilizing. Feed your peace lily with a balanced liquid fertilizer, e.g. 20-20-20, every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to brown leaf tips. 7. Pruning and maintenance. Remove yellow or brown leaves to encourage new growth and maintain the plant's appearance. Trim spent flowers to promote more blooms. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them shiny. 8. Repotting. Repot your peace lily every 1 to 2 years, or when it becomes root-bound. Choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Repotting in spring is ideal. 9. Pests and diseases. Watch for common pests like spider mites, aphids and mealybugs. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevent fungal diseases by avoiding overwatering and ensuring good airflow around the plant. Benefits of peace lily. 1. Air purification. Peace lily are excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia from the air, making them a great addition to your home or office. To low maintenance, they are easy to care for and can thrive in low light conditions, making them perfect for beginners. 3. Aesthetic appeal. With their glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms, peace lily add a touch of sophistication to any space. For humidity regulation, peace lily release moisture into the air, helping to increase indoor humidity levels, which is beneficial for your skin and respiratory health. 5. Mood booster. Their lush foliage and beautiful flowers can uplift your mood and create a calming atmosphere. 6. Non-toxic to pets. With a caveat. While peace lily are not as toxic as true lily, they can cause mild irritation if ingested by pets. Keep them out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Secret to a thriving peace lily. Consistency is key. Peace lilies thrive when their care routine is consistent. Avoid sudden changes in light, temperature, or watering habits. Listen to your plant. Peace lilies are great communicators. They droop when they need water and perk up quickly after watering. Boost humidity. If you notice brown leaf tips, it's a sign that the air is too dry. Increase humidity by misting or using a humidifier. By following these care tips and understanding the benefits, you can enjoy a thriving peace lily that brings beauty, clean air, and tranquility to your home. Herb sparkles.